Welcome to Soft Skills with me. In today's lesson, you will learn about attitude and its importance from the expert.
There were two friends who played the game of cricket. In one of their matches for their school, they went on to score the highest score ever and broke a world record. They remained unbeaten or not out with that highest score. Any idea who I'm talking about? Yes, Sachin Tendulkar and Vinod Kambli. Sachin Tendulkar, as we all know, went on to become one of the greatest cricketers ever. Whereas the other player, Vinod Kambli, who's considered to be a lot more talented by the experts, could not shine as much. Let us look at this small analysis. Merely having talent which equals to knowledge plus skill. Whereas to achieve the kind of greatness which Sachin Tendulkar achieved or any other successful person has achieved, what we need is knowledge plus skill plus attitude. When we have the right attitude, what comes out is magic. So what is this attitude? There was a very old lady who looked into a mirror and found that she had only 3 strands of hair on her head. Being a very positive lady and a positive soul, she told herself, "Let me braid my hair today." And she was very happy that day. A few days later, she again looked into the mirror and found that there were only 2 strands of hair on her head. And she said, "Let me part my hair today," and was happy as usual. And then a few more days later, she came up there and looked into the mirror and she found that there was only 1 hair remaining on her head. And what did she do? She said, "Oh, only 1 hair left. It's a nice pony out there." And then she was happy as usual. And then a few more days later, she went up to the mirror and saw that there was not a single hair on her head. She was completely bald. And then she looked at herself and said, "Oh wow, finally, I don't have to spend my time in making my hair." And she went about her day very happily. That is what attitude is all about. Dear friends, all I want to tell you is that attitude is a very little thing which can make a big difference in your life. Thank you.
That was an interesting story. I am sure you would have now understood the importance of having a positive attitude, which is the fundamental requirement to excel at work. If you have any questions, you can post them in the comments section. And if you want to enroll for the full course on attitude building, you can click on the link in the description and enroll for the course on Udemy. Never miss an update. Subscribe to this channel, like and share with friends. In the next episode, you will be learning about negative attitude and its effects. Until then, take care.